Kolkata Knight Riders are taking on the Kings 11 Punjab tonight, and this is an all important game for them. They've been on a losing spree of sorts. They lost as many as 5 games in the 7 that they have played so far, including 2 games at home. And Eden Gardens was their fortress. It has been breached twice. They'll be hoping that they are able to protect it tonight from the Kings 11 Punjab. Kolkata Knight Riders on paper looks a very strong side, which has probably covered most bases. But then there are some glaring weaknesses if you were to look very closely. Uh, in order to address those problems, they have started opening with Yusuf Pathan, which has uh, probably solved one problem of starting slowly. So now they're getting off to some blistering starts. They always manage a few more runs than what's par for the course. But then after the sixth over is done with, the remaining 14 overs are not being capitalized enough. And once again, the lack of firepower towards the end comes to the fore. And that's been their problem area, not getting enough runs on the board. They have a decent bowling unit. Sena Naik had one off day. You would obviously bank him to come back well. Sunil Narine is there. Iqbal Abdullah bowled all right. You've got options. But the only problem again is that Jacques Kallis might not be available for tonight's game. And I think that's a huge problem because Jacques Kallis has been batting well, he's been bowling well. And to replace one guy, you need two. And there aren't too many who can actually fill those boots because they are pretty large boots. You talk about, other than that, you talk about the Kings 11 Punjab. They have their own set of problems and they're starting off right from the top. Adam Gilchrist isn't firing. He's been doing all right as a skipper. He's doing all right behind the stumps, but it's what he's doing in front of the stumps that's a major concern for them. An overseas player opening the innings, not contributing to the team's cause, does not go down well with the side. He's played a lot of games, but has shown just glimpses of that glorious past. So he needs to come to the party if he continues to play himself in the playing 11. Other than that, they have some efficient Indian players. Mandeep Singh has looked good. Bright Star, Manan Vora is another guy who's done well. You've got a few efficient overseas recruits. No big names there, but they're enough to just take them across the line. So Kings 11 Punjab against the Kolkata Knight Riders, on a paper it looks like a mismatch, but I'm expecting Kings 11 Punjab to once again punch above their weight and make a match of it. But having said that, I'm putting my money on the Kolkata Knight Riders to win this one and pip Kings 11 Punjab to the post. But now, if you're done with that game, how can I actually finish without talking about what transpired last night? Once again, Dhoni was in the middle of a bit of a storm, a bit of a problem area, if you were to say that, for the Chennai Super Kings. They needed about 13 and over for about 4-5 overs. Dale Steyn had to bowl a couple out of those 5, and there was a guy called Mahendra Singh Dhoni who took his team home once again. The way he's first rotating strike, then maneuvering the strike, and then owning the strike is a very overt display of his self-belief and his ability to finish games off. There comes a time in the end when he doesn't even allow anyone else to come on strike because he knows that he may not get the strike back, and more importantly, he also knows that he can finish games off. As far as I'm concerned, he is the best finisher in the shortest format. Do you agree with that, or do you have someone else in mind?